So as you guys probably saw in the last episode, or last clip, we ran out of wire for the welder, so harbor freight trip.
It's gonna be alright.
I did some welding. It looks perfect. I can call myself a professional now. Hey, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh man, I already melted that.
Actually, what time is it? Well, I was saying 2:45. She got the kids on Monday. How's she coming tonight?
Pretty good.
You can come.
Hi, Eli.
Michael!
What's up?
It's my friend.
No, it's
Kitty.
my friend.
Do not touch the metal, kitty.
Kitty.
Man, that is definitely professional grade.
Are you videotaping your welding?
My
Eli
awesome
just
welding.
told me that I'm having a stroke.
Remember those like 5 fatal mistakes I was reading yesterday about welding?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was that one of them?
Touching the metals.
Beautiful. Alright, so yet another garage build series, Go Kart build series. I don't know if we'll ever get this thing done, but I'm learning how to weld and stuff in the process, so it's kind of fun. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of the new Drill Master 4.5-inch angle grinder. Just kidding. So believe it or not, I actually do have some plans for this, and it doesn't look like anything is an actual plan, but it keeps me on track of what I'm doing and gives me an idea of what I'm doing. And as you can see, it doesn't look like much. I don't even know if you can see any of that, but to me, it's something. It's getting my thoughts on paper. Let's just see if I can actually do anything with it. I don't know if this will be a different video, but today's segment is just going to be me grinding off these beautiful welds that Zeke and I did. And I might try and weld some more supports to it, but I'm not too sure yet because I don't know how to do much of that, but we'll see. We're going to go ahead and try and grind these welds down, and it probably won't look pretty. It'll probably break the welds, but hey, we gotta start somewhere. This is a lot harder than I thought it would be because it's in a circle. So you can't really go like this. You gotta watch where the sparks are going too. If I was outside, it'd be much better, but it's like negative 4 degrees today. Alright, next I'll probably try and weld some cross triangles support, but I want to get that on film, maybe not. We'll see, because I'm off loading. So I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so what I was thinking is cutting off this top part right here where that bracket is, because I don't really need it. And I was going to go somewhere like across, like this, maybe like this, and then like that. But then with this bent one, you can see it's bent right here, starting to rust a little bit. I was going to cut it up, maybe do like cross sections like here and here, maybe just to keep it a little bit more supportive. It's all just a bunch of thinking and trying to plan it out. So what I'm thinking now is that there's this metal like grate that goes across, and that will probably be like the top of the Go Kart, and that's like where we'll put our feet on and stuff, and we'll sit on there. We might do like a big sheet metal, piece of sheet metal across of it. But I do want these like inside, and if I were to do like inside and then do like another one, I want like inside this outside tubing, but the things that get in the way are these little arcs of metal and these center pieces right here. But these are like one of the main structures of the piece, so if I cut those out, then I'm going to have to weld these in. So I want to make sure I can do that, but I think I'm going to cut these out next so I'm able to put these inside of the framing, because without it, I'm just going like over top of it, and that's just not going to be easy to weld, one, and it's not going to be very good structurally. Man, that is some thick stuff. Yes, I am cutting right towards me. That's okay. Got those two sides out. I'm trying to see if I can just break this other part off. It's kind of hard to grind. It's pretty twisty. There we go. I just put a big old hole in there now. Now I gotta get it broken off of all the grids. I can use some metal cutters for these other guys. It's not coming off. Come on. We have a kerosene heater going right now, so it's kind of loud. My brother's gonna work on his truck soon. What I'm doing right now is just getting these pieces cut at different angles that I need them to be for the inside of the Go Kart frame. This is Hank, and he likes to be in the garage when it's far too dangerous for him to be in the garage, so we gotta kick him out a lot. It's still loose. I've already cut two before this. I don't know why this one's not. This blade's not holding. This one was fine last time. See, that's what I just cut off, like that. Freaking cool, right? You can see all these metal shards on there that I'm gonna have to grind off with the grinding wheel, which I'll do that here soon. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. It's getting there. Stop! It's cold! It's cold!